Hi, today I'm installing and reviewing a shade sail that a company sent to me, free of charge fortunately, to review on my channel and try out, which I agreed to because my daughter used to have one of these, found it very useful in the summer for keeping the sun off when you're sitting outside. It eventually deteriorated. This one looks quite substantial. Nylon feeling, long lasting. It's a permeable one. They do waterproof ones as well. And very reasonably priced actually. This 16 foot by 20 foot one. The official price is about 70 something dollars. You can get them as low as, I think it starts at about $25 or something, I think. So this one, they also sent the hardware kit with it as well. Check whether you get those or not. With wall plugs. Looks pretty straightforward. You've got these wall mounting plates here. Just drill a few holes with the electric drill, mount some wall plugs in it, screw it in place, and then everything should hook on, I think. So let's get it apart. This is how it arrived, and I guess when you're not using it in the winter, you could fold up to a similar size as well. So let's get it all apart, crack on, and look at installing it. Right, here we are at the property, and this is where it's going, on this wall at the top here. And as you can see, it gets the sun on the wall, so in the middle of summer it gets pretty hot on this decking. So this shade is going to be pretty useful. Here's the shade, one of the larger ones, and that's the fitting that you mount onto the wall using these wall plugs. So you'll need a hammer drill, something like this. DeWalt one I'd recommend. They're expensive, but they are good. Put on the hammer drill setting, and then you'll need a masonry drill appropriate for the sort of plugs you're using. So these ones look like they're 6mm, maybe. Just line up with the end of the masonry drill bit to see if it's the same width on the end as the width of the plug, then you're about right. If your wall's a bit soft, you might want to use some stronger, bigger wall plugs and some bigger screws. Alright, since I'm fitting this on my own, I'm just going to put one end of the sail on the wall to help me spread the thing out and line it up. So it's got a metal loop on one end of the sail, and for the moment I've just used these quick release like O or oval type attachment things to connect the two together. And let's work out which is the longest side of it now. This is a very big one, this one. This is what the customer wanted. 16 by 20. Going to have to use these adjustable hooks. Actually quite handy because yeah, they're opposite threads. So all you've got to do to tighten it is just to rotate this central body once it's in place. It should be dead easy. One is a left-handed thread and one is a right-handed thread. Got to be a little bit careful with any strong winds, because otherwise it's just going to take off. So strong wind is forecast, then you want to unhook it, take it off the wall. Oh, come on. There we go. All right then. Just going to fit one. See if it's about the right distance. Try and get the sail over. Just about reaches, only just. So what we're going to need is a very big and strong pole. Okay, after a bit of delay while we sorted out the patio, and then here is a installation of the sail. It's a bit windy today, so yeah, not an ideal day for using it. And it's a little bit bigger than really this patio needed, as you can see. I propped it up in the middle. Really needs to go a bit higher on the wall at some point over there. But yeah, it provides a nice shade to the patio, and it's very robust, very strong material. And yeah, it's easily able to tolerate a pole stuck up through the middle there to support it. And these poles have got guy ropes on to keep them in position as well. So yeah, that's it. And then the tighter you can pull these guy ropes, the better. Obviously it pulls the sail quite a lot straighter. And yeah, it's not too bad looking. Needs a little bit of fiddling. And make sure you order a sail that's appropriate for your size of patio. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck with yours. Thanks. Bye.